parts of the bike. I'm going to erase it from memory so that I can now open up another model. I think you'll recognize this model right away. Here you see a little EVA robot. This little robot, once again, you see the graphical representation of the model, but you also see the model tree. And in the model tree, once again, you can see the body was the first part that came in. Then we have the head, the arms, the two different arms. I can actually grab those arms or the head and move the head around. We can zip it up around because we have kinematic relationships set up with the head. Now, if you remember with the bike, I was able to go over to the model tree and actually open up one of the parts. So I'm going to open up the head, and here we have now a single part. So the head is just one part of the EVA robot assembly. And now you might ask, well, what is the model tree then? Because there aren't multiple parts that are assembled, it's just a single part. Well, in this case, the model tree has the features that make up this part. So I'm going to take that red arrow and I'm going to bring it back up to the top, and you'll notice the first feature is just a sketch that's been revolved. So I can click on that head sketch and you'll see I have kind of this green sketch, and I revolved it 360 degrees to make the head. After that, I then made an extrude that cut material away to make the face portion of the robot. I then added some material, this black material, back into the helmet so that I have kind of the face visor. And then you can see here I added the eyes into it, but the eyes extend beyond that visor. And so the final thing I did was to just cut those off at the right size, and now I have the head of EVA. Hello, hello. So in a part model, that model tree contains all of the features. In an assembly, it contains all of the parts. And once again, as you work through the exercises in the curriculum, you'll get a chance to explore this model of EVA and see how the different parts were made. So I'm going to close this model, erase it again from memory, and I'm going to open up our last model for tonight. And this is a